Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to learn how to knit this very simple scarf, and it's quite a lightweight scarf, very inexpensive yarn but beautiful, different colors, different shades of pinks and browns and grays and dark grays, and it's knitted from one skein, and it doesn't fit in the camera, but it's about I don't know, I can stretch it with my arms open, but it goes around your neck once, and then it also comes down. I'll try to put a picture of it on a hanger so you can see what it looks like. I have this color which has pinks and a bit like pink oranges, some gray, some brown, some beiges, some almost black, and I think it looks really nice. It's very easy to knit. This is definitely beginner scarf. It's knitted in seed stitch. We're just going to do knits and purls. It doesn't roll, you know, it's the same on both sides, and it's perfect for beginners. And I'll show you the yarn I use. This is the yarn that I use. It's Hayfield Spirit. It's a DK weight yarn, machine washable. It has 20% wool, 80% acrylic, 345 meters, 377 yards, 100 gram skeins, and this is the shade that I have here, which has different blues and navy, and I like it so much. It's beautiful, as well the pink one. They recommend that you knit it with 4mm needle, but I have here 3.5 because I like it to be a bit, because I'm doing seed stitch, which is alternating between knits and purls. You want your work to be a bit tighter, so I went down a needle size, not down half a needle size. So not 4mm, 3.5mm, and I have my knit pro platinos with a shortish cable on. And I wanted to keep this in the skein like this so you can see what it looks like. I got this for £5 British at Hobbycraft. I'm sure you can find it online, maybe even cheaper than that, I don't know. It says is made for Hayfield, under license in Turkey, and it's Sirdar, I guess. It's a Sirdar spinning company yarn. But first I want to wind it into a cake, because it's not very easy to knit with it like this. So I'm going to quickly make it into a cake, and then we're going to cast on, and I'm going to show you how to start it, and then I'm going to let you keep on knitting for maybe, I don't know, a week. It took me about a week to do the other one. Obviously I would do like half an hour a day or something. Okay, so once you have your yarn like this, and I love to see the colors all like that, you want to tuck in this end, and you want to grab the one from the inside like this, and we're going to do a cast on, and we're going to do the long tail cast on 2 needles like so. So you want to cast on 44 stitches, so leave quite a long-ish tail, and then we're going to do the slip knot. So we're going to hold the yarn like this. This is the tail, that's the working yarn. I'm going to go in with my finger, through with my thumb, and pick up that tail, and then we're going to adjust it. And I like to cast on double needles. Pull on the tail, and that's our first stitch. And now we're going to cast on 43 more. So With my thumb, I go underneath the tail and grab the working yarn, pull through like this. Oh. Just make sure that you pick up with both needles. Okay, let's speed this up. Alright, so we've done our cast on double needles like this because it's easier to work, and then you want to pull out one of them and start working this easy stitch, which is knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, all the way to the end. So I'm going to start with knit. This is how you knit. Yarn in the front to purl. Yarn in the back to knit. Yarn in the front to purl. And we continue doing that. This is very good Netflix project. It knits up quickly and is very easy. You never forget where you're at because it's the same over and over. Knit the purls and purl the knits. Knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. And then the next row, it's purl the knits and knit the purls. That's all. You just want to keep good tension on your yarn. That's why I like to hold it here so it doesn't get too loose. And you want to be consistent with it. I just want to get to the end and then I'll show you the next row, and you just repeat it until you finish your yarn. Okay, so the first, because we finished with a purl, the first is a knit, but we are told to purl the knits and knit the purls. So I'm going to bring the yarn in the front and I'm going to purl the first stitch. Then the next stitch is a purl, so I'm going to knit it. The next one is a knit, so I'm going to purl it. The next one is a purl, so I'm going to knit it. So we continue doing that until the end of the row, and then turn and repeat, repeat, repeat until you finish. You can already see the design. I think it's beautiful. It's such a simple stitch, but such a beautiful one. And it's called the seed stitch or the moss stitch. I can't think of it now, but it looks like rice. So it looks like beads. And I think it just makes it look so beautiful, and it's so easy. But yeah, please let me know if you give this a try. I will try to do a PDF for it. If you want to download it on Ravelry, just let me know and I will quickly write a PDF for it with the yarn. Don't forget, all the details will be down below with the yarn, with the needles, with the rows, with the stitch. And also, if you're interested to get a ball winder like mine is by Knit Pro and I love it so much. I'm so happy I got it because it makes these beautiful cakes. Look, aren't they cute? And they look beautiful on the inside. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.